project. And I would like to mention first why we use Android, because Android is an open source that we can develop any program easily. First, Android is developed by Google, and also it's based on Linux kernel. It's based over Java and C++. Also, it supports more than 70 languages. So we used Java in our project to write our project because it's an assembly language to write with it. Here we see that the Android versions starting from Oreo until reaching Marshmallow now, with the release versions and dates. So I would like to state how Android run applications. Android run applications, a lot of many applications at the same time, but only one application can run on the activity screen. And also we have some buttons that's maybe sometimes the only buttons in the phone. The home button to move between this application, and also the back button to release this application. So now we are going to the practical implementation, and I would like to differ between the practical implementation in our project and in real life. In real life, it will be different because we will have an advantage to get access to the 3G network and apply for their servers and configurations. So in our project implementation, first we have the router that's spread for us the network that we will work on. And the second thing, we have the SEP server. In the SEP server, we apply application accounts that we will log in later. First, we will apply accounts from the server, from private branch exchange. We will select SEP devices and submit some accounts. And then we will go to the Android application to log in through to do our configuration through the application by using the username and password and domain. And we must have some Android application to devices to run these applications. So this is the steps of our re-implementation in our project. So as I mentioned, we will go to the server to apply some accounts, and then we will go to the phone to use this account to sign in. And then we can initiate the call by the set definition. It will release a call, it will initiate a call, and then the step server will release itself to initiate the call. After finishing the call, it will return back to the server for the billing sequence. And as we see from this picture, this is a transfer between the SEP server and then initiating by the network and the RTP protocol running the call without the need on the server anymore. So we hope you enjoyed the results, and I would like to introduce what we get observed from this project. We get observed that there is the increase in the number of users in the network companies, and the decrease in the capacity and limitation of bandwidth, and also due to the high cost in the operators that pay, and also sometimes the bad quality of service that users get off. So we go conclude that if operators can apply Wi-Fi, modify their current network, 3G network, with Wi-Fi network, and support this network, some application to access Wi-Fi and 3G depending on the capacity and bandwidth, depending on the capacity and power, this may reach their decrease in cost until 60%. And we hope that in our future we get some more goals in our project, like make the 3G customer talk directly to the Wi-Fi customer, not only the Wi-Fi customer to the Wi-Fi customer. Also, we hope also to increase more features like HD video calls and high-speed internet access, and also decrease the swapping time between networks, and also eliminate the usage of the power in the uplink process. And finally, we hope to find an integration with the Wi-Fi technology. Thank you for attending our presentation today, and brief thanks to Dr. Talat Gart for his helpness and guidance to reach this point. Thank you.
قبل ما السادة اللجنة